Welcome back to the C programming lecture series, and in this tutorial we are going to write a code in C programming to generate asterisk like this. It is called the inverted half pyramid. So we are going to write a code to generate inverted half pyramid of stars. Okay, so let me come to the code blocks. So already I have written the code, and now I will explain this code to you. First, I have declared integer type variables I, j and rows. So I will write them I, j and rows. These are all integer type variables that I have declared, and I am giving user a message, please enter the number of rows. I am giving user a message that how many rows you want to print. Message will come to user, enter the number of rows. User will print, suppose 3. There are 3 number of rows that user wants to display the asterisk in 3 rows like this: star, star, star and star, star and star. User wants the result like this. Okay, so I have to declare, I have to use 3 rows in which I want to print my result. So this 3, when user types this 3 here and hits enter, it gets scanned into the rows variable. So 3 will come into the rows variable. Now for loop is declared by me, and inside this for loop there is another for loop. This is basically a nested for loop. Okay, I will press here enter, and here I will press again enter. Now in this for loop I have initialized I equal to rows. So I is equal to 3. So I am initializing I to rows. So what is this? I will be equal to this rows. I am giving the value of this rows into this I. So condition, this is a test condition. I should be greater than or equal to 1. This 3 is greater than 1. Okay, so I will come into the block because the condition is true. Inside this block there is another for loop where j is initialized to 1. I will write 1 in j, and then j is less than or equal to I. Is this 1 less than or equal to this 3? Yes. So this line will get executed where I have to print star asterisk. So I am printing the star, and some space is there that will also get printed. After that my j will get incremented. It will become 2. Is this j less than or equal to I? Yes, this is less than or equal to I. So again this condition is true. Again this star will be printed here, asterisk will be printed here, and j will get incremented by 1 again. It will become 3. Now condition is still true because 3 is equal to 3. Okay, now if the condition is true, this line will get again executed where I have to print this star and space. I will print this asterisk and some space. Okay, now j will get again increment by 1. It will become 4. Now this time the condition is not true, it is false. So it will come out of this block, and our control will reach here where the line is written that printf / new line. So I have to come into the new line here. With this line my control will come into the new line. After that my control will reach here, and after that I will give decrement to I. This is I minus minus, so I will become 2. Is I greater than or equal to 1? Yes, 2 is greater than or equal to 1. Now our block will get executed. So inside this block there is another for loop where j is again initialized to 1. So j was 4 and it will be again initialized to 1. J is less than or equal to I? Yes, 1 is less than or equal to this 2, though, so the star will get again printed. So here it will get printed here, and some space. Okay, j will get incremented by 1. It will become 2. Condition is true because 2 is equal to 2, and this star will get again printed here. After that j will get again incremented by 1. It will become 3. Now the condition is false. Okay, condition becomes false. We will come out of this loop, for loop, and here our control will reach into the new line with the help of this line, with the help of this printf / new line. So our control is here. Now and here j will get I will get again decrement by 1. It will become 1. Is I less than, greater than or equal to 1? Yes, I is greater than or equal to 1. It is equal to 1. So the condition is true. J will get again initialized to 1. J, because in this block will get executed, and in this block j is again initialized to 1. Is j less than or equal to I? Yes, it is equal to I. So this is equal to I. So this star asterisk will get printed here, okay, and some space, okay, and again j will get increment by 1. It will become 2. Now the condition becomes false because j should be less than or equal to I. Now j is greater than this I, so condition becomes false, and we will get out of this loop. Our control will reach into the new line, and after that I will get again decrement by 1. It will become 0. Is I greater than or equal to 1? No, this time this condition is false. I is not greater than or equal to 1. It is 0. So our control, this block will not get executed now, and our control will reach at the end, and our program stops. Now we have got our result like this: asterisk 3 times, then 2 times, then 1 time. This is inverted half pyramid. Now we will see the result by running this code. So I will run this. How many rows? Enter the number of rows. Suppose I want 5 rows. You can see this is 5 number of rows, and our result is like this: inverted half pyramid. That's it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Indus Technologies. Thanks for watching.